I want you to listen closely at what I have to say. I just want to tell you about this wicked race. Some are getting wounded and some are getting killed. But the Holy Bible must be fulfilled. They sons against their fathers and daughters against their mothers. Let me tell you, children, what you must do. Crawl on your knees and pray till you come through. Tell me, oh, what's the matter with the people? What's the matter with the people? Oh, what's the matter with the people? They started up a balancing every time. Well, you can't go to church in peace. You can't go to school in peace. You can't walk the streets. You can't make friends with everyone you meet. Now let me tell you about a man with personality. Now Martin Luther King, he done the best he can. He trying to get the nation just to understand that Jesus died upon the tree, and there is a right for you and for me. Tell me, oh, what's the matter with the people? What's the matter with the people? Oh, what's the matter with the people? They started up a